Today, I chat with UK soul artist Tony Momrelle. Tony has toured and performed with the who's who of the music industry, from Earth, Wind & Fire to Whitney Houston to Incognito and one of my all-time favorites, Sade. In this segment, we go behind the ink as Tony shares his top songwriting tip for success. Stick around. So I'm here with the one and only Tony Momrelle. And I say, is it Momrelle or Momrelle?
In America, you say Momrelle. In England, we would say Momrelle.
Okay, so I'll say Momrelle.
There you go, Momrelle, that's fine.
All right, so, you're a songwriter. You've written some amazing songs. Any words of advice for songwriters on how to get that song, that special song?
The key, there's loads of ideas that people can give out, but for me, the best thing to do is when you write a song, sit with it for a while. Don't just commit to it and go, right, I'm done. Sit with it, live with it, and then see, once you read every paragraph, could it be better? What are you saying if it's what the subject is? Can you say it in other words without using it? Look at cross-reference it again. Are you using similar words too often? Things like that, so you're strengthening your storyline, because that's really what the key is. And once you've got your melody and the meat of the song is the chorus, you're good to go. But really the key for me, and I always advise others, is to really study everything that you've written and see if there's any way that you can make it better or make each line come across and or become more significant.
That's powerful. You heard it from him, Tony Momrelle.
Momrelle.
Yes,
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Can't wait to hear the full project.
Oh, thank you.
For more episodes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.